Hi, my name is Sebastián Gómez, and I am the account director for Mars at Mediacom Colombia.
Hi everyone, my name is Juan Camilo Ortega and I am head of motion content group for Colombia and Puerto Rico.
Friendship Day is one of the most important celebrations in Colombia. It's like our Valentine's Day, but in September. On this day, we give our friends and loved ones a small but special gift. But due to the lockdown from COVID-19, this celebration was at risk.
For Mars, Friendship Day represents a key commercial day with high sell objectives. The challenge here was to create a platform where people could keep this gifting tradition alive.
Mars were also launching their new M&M's bar at the same time, so we needed to increase the product consideration and the trial. This will create a perfect match for our M&M's trap concept. Through eye-catching posts on M&M's Facebook and Instagram channels in Colombia's three key cities, we let people know they could order a free and special delivered M&M's chocolate bar with one condition. It had to be for a friend to bring some sunshine to their lockdown.
Our chocolate bars reached people's homes with a personalized card and invitation to share this gift on social media. Colombians went crazy to give their loved ones with M&M's chocolate bar. It was very exciting to see materialize this campaign and achieve objectives beyond expectations.
The campaign was really special for me. Just seeing how people reacted when receiving an unexpected gift from someone, it was priceless. It gave me joy to be able to deliver a little bit of happiness in a tough period.